Hello guys, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prevent people, from adding you to a group you don't actually permit them to add you. Sometimes it's irritating. You just open WhatsApp, what you're going to see is you've been added to a group, by someone you don't even know. Okay? So to prevent that, go to the app, WhatsApp app, you tap on it. Then next you go to the three dotted lines here, you tap on it. You go to settings, you tap on it. So next you go to account, you tap on account. Next you go to privacy, okay, you tap on privacy. Next you go to groups, okay. Next you go to groups, okay. You tap on groups. Alright, as you guys can see, who can add me to groups? And it's turned on to everyone. That's why sometimes you see yourself in a group, you didn't permit anyone to add you. Like you just see yourself in a group, and that can be, disturbing. Okay, you just see someone from nowhere add you to a group without your permission. So to prevent everyone from adding you to any group, all right, you're going to turn this off. Okay. You can turn it to your contacts. Okay, so only your contacts can be permitted to add you to any group once you tap on contact. Okay, and this is my contact. Okay, you can as well turn it on to this is my contact, except once you tap on it, you're going to see my contact except no contact excluded. If you tap on some contacts here, so all these contacts, once you tap on all these contacts, it filters those you don't want to add you. Okay, so now here you can regulate the people you want them to add you in a group. Okay, you can regulate the people. Okay, so all these ones that are being tapped means that they are being excluded, okay, from adding you to a group. They are being excluded. So it depends on you. Okay, if you want one person to have the access to add you to a group, it then means you're going to tick a good number of contacts here, and leave a particular number of persons depending on you. Okay, so once that is being done, once you tick all this I ticked means I don't want them to add me to a group. Like they are being excluded from adding me to any group. 11 contact excluded. So these people cannot add me in my contacts. Okay, these people cannot add me in my contacts. All right, so it depends on you. You might decide to tick a good number of persons and leave few persons, okay, that you know too well, and those persons are the people that can be able to add you to any group. Okay, this will prevent people adding you to a group you don't want to belong. Like I said, imagine someone from nowhere just adding you to a group, someone you don't even know adding you to a group you can't just see yourself sometimes being added to. So to prevent that, this is what you can do. Okay, you can just choose the people, regulate the people you want them to add you to a group. Okay, so once that is being done, you just go here and tick on it. As you guys can see, 11 contacts out of my contacts are being excluded. You just tick on this, so it's being updated. So here in my group, okay, 11 in my contacts, okay, 11 contacts are excluded. All right, you can still go back, like I said, and choose your contacts. Okay, but here in this my contact except, okay, you have the ability to regulate to the barest minimum those that you want them to add you to a group. But everyone means Dick, Harry, Tom can add you to a group, which is sometimes irritating. So we don't want that. Okay, so you can either choose this, and most importantly, go for this. My contact except, okay, you can choose those you want. This will give you, like I said, the permission to actually regulate people you want them to be adding you to a group. All right, guys, so that's basically it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.